Hey, my name is Connor, and welcome to Crypto Empire, where we dominate the crypto market. Recently, we have seen artificial intelligence cryptocurrencies take off, and artificial intelligence is just one narrative in cryptocurrency. Another upcoming narrative is the play to earn gaming tokens. This is going to be a primed crypto narrative, and we will see these gaming tokens take off soon in the near future as well. So, in this video, I'll be sharing with you 5 of my top play to earn cryptocurrencies that are primed for a big run. If that does interest you, be sure to stick with me until the end of this video. Without further ado, let's get right into it and let the gains be with you. Yesterday, there was a major announcement with the Sandbox, which is one of the top metaverse play-to-earn gaming cryptocurrencies. As we see here, Saudi Arabia and the Sandbox have agreed to collaborate on metaverse projects. That is the nation of Saudi Arabia. This is massive. We can go ahead and read this article here. The United Arab Emirates, that includes Dubai, as well as Saudi Arabia, have shown significant interest in crypto and Web3, and that the Sandbox and Saudi Arabia have come to an understanding of a partnership. There were no details provided. However, we can also read further that the Sandbox co-founder and chief operating officer, Sebastian Borget, took to LinkedIn to announce the news that they have come to a partnership between the Sandbox and Saudi Arabia Digital Government Authority. So they are going to be building out in the Sandbox and building some play-to-earn games. This is massive. From that announcement, we have seen a big boost in the Sandbox price. It is up 15% on the day. Now, this is the top GameFi coins by market cap on CoinGecko, and I also have the top play-to-earn gaming coins here by market cap categorized by CoinGecko. So the top play-to-earn gaming coins are the Sandbox, Decentraland, and Axie Infinity. And also the top gaming coins are those plus ApeCoin. ApeCoin, of course, the Bored Ape Yacht Club with their Metaverse 2. So these are the high caps. These are the ones that we can track to see how the narrative is starting to form. And when capital begins to flow into these high caps, it will then trickle down into the low caps. And like I said, I'll be sharing with you 5 top low caps. Let's get started with low cap number 1 right now. So the number 1 low cap play to earn gaming metaverse cryptocurrency for this video is going to be Vulcan Forged PYR. Right now, Vulcan Forged is trading for $4.39 with a market cap rank of 288 with an overall market cap of just $102.5 million. Now, the all-time high of Vulcan Forged is $49. It's down 91% from that, and the all-time low is $1. So it's up around 4x from that all-time low, but it's still got a ways to go, 91% back up to that all-time high. So if you don't know what Vulcan Forged is, very simply put, it is a gaming studio in a sense where they have their own metaverse as well. We can see here on their website about Vulcan Forged. Vulcan Forged is an established non-fungible token game studio, marketplace, and decentralized application incubator with 10 plus games and 20,000 plus members in the community and a top 5 NFT marketplace by volume. Vulcan Forged really started to gain traction during that last play-to-earn gaming boom in late 2021, and now I believe it is poised for a massive comeback. So let's go ahead now and take a look at the PYR coin itself and take a look at where it can go and where it could possibly pull back to. So starting things off, let's take a look at the weekly price chart here. So on the weekly chart, very easy to see the all-time high up here at $49. And it's also very clear to see that the price has been trading in a massive range from over here from May of 2022. Right, so for almost a full year, it's been trading in this massive range. The high of that range is $5. The low is down here at around $2.63. Now, as we can see over the past 5 or so weeks, Vulcan Forge has made a very big move, now approaching that top of the range again. The good news is that it has not broken out from the range yet. When it does break out from the range, it's going to run, but it has not broken out just yet. So anywhere under $5 is most likely going to be a good long-term buy, not financial advice. Any pullbacks below $4 would serve as excellent entries here. And your targets here, realistically, this can shoot up to $8 very quickly, $8 this resistance. And then from there, we start getting back up to the $20, $30, $40, $50 price levels. I believe this will eventually break its all-time high, but you will have to wait some time for that. But anyways, Vulcan Forge PYR still very low compared to where it's been, still trading in this 1-year trading range, has not taken off just yet, has not really pumped. Check it out, do your own research, but this is coin number 1. Now moving on, let's get into coin number 2. Vulcan Forge is going to be the highest market cap coin. Now I'm going to focus on really low caps. These are higher risk, but more potential reward. Coin number 2 for this video, Compete token, ticker symbol Compete. Right now, Compete is trading at 1.7 cents with a market cap of $11.3 million. That puts it at rank number 943 in the overall cryptocurrency market cap. Now, the circulating supply, as we can see, of the Compete token is 625 million tokens, and the maximum supply is 1 billion. So that means 62.5% of the overall tokens are already in circulation, which is good to see. Now, the all-time high of this token is at 2.5 cents. It's down 27% from that all-time high, and the all-time low is 0.0013 cents. So it's up around 13x from that all-time low. Right now at the token price of 1.7 cents. So Compete's a very interesting project. This is a metaverse, it's a play-to-earn team-based multiplayer game. They are now in closed beta on Windows PC. I've seen the gameplay for this. It's very impressive. It looks a bit like Grand Theft Auto, as well as Call of Duty Warzone. It has a battle royale type of game, as well as a lot of other things, right? We can go ahead and see all the game modes. Right, there's the battle royale, there's golfing, there is basketball, there's kart racing. So this is a very interesting project. There's already streamers playing their open beta on things like Twitch, getting a lot of viewers, uses Unreal Engine. So this one is primed, it's backed by some big people. It's going to be coming soon to all the main gaming consoles, Epic Games included. So this one's still very early, and it has not really totally taken off yet. It has really not experienced a full bear market, right? It launched in the midst of that bear market. So this one primed up big. We can take a look at where this is traded. It's only on Uniswap. All right, so if we want to chart this, we have to go on over to DEX Tools. So let's go take a look at DEX Tools and take a look at the Compete chart. So we're looking at Compete now on the weekly price chart, and this thing launched over here in late February of 2022. So it has not even existed for 1 full year yet. Right, like I said, it's up around 13x from that all-time low price. However, if we look at this, it only has a market cap of 11 million according to DEX Tools over here. According to CoinGecko, the market cap, yeah, it's $11.2 million market cap. So still very low, and this can easily be $100 million plus. So if we take a look at this chart, let's drop this down to a daily. Now, if we get any pullbacks, those are definitely going to be buying opportunities. That's my opinion, not financial advice, but one level I would look for on a pullback is going to be 1.3 cents, right? That previous resistance level from April of 2022 should now act as support. So that's your first level at 1.3, 1.4 cents. Now below that, we also have this down here at around 1 penny or just underneath 1 penny. If you can go ahead and scoop this up for under a penny again, that's going to be an amazing opportunity to hold it for the longer term when people really start to take notice on the crypto gaming play-to-earn games. Compete is primed to really perform well. If we can get it for underneath a penny, that would be amazing. But even now at 1.7, 1.8 cents, with where it can potentially go in the future, it should do very well. So take a look at it on your own time, do your own research. But Compete, coin number 2 for this video. Let's go ahead and move on to coin number 3, which is going to be another low cap gaming play to earn game. That is going to be WAGMI Games. All right, WAGMI Games over here does not show their market cap on CoinGecko, and it's only traded on Uniswap. But right now it's trading for a fraction of a penny. Now they went with the meme coin tokenomics. However, this is not a meme coin, right? This is a serious game being developed by a serious team, backed by some very serious corporations in the gaming industry. And we can go ahead, I want to see the market cap of this so I can show you guys. So let's go to CoinGecko and look at WAGMI Games here. And the market cap right now is $7.3 million. And this chart, right, it's just been ranging. Another one that launched in 2022. So it launched in the middle of the bear market, which is very promising. It's a newer coin, meaning it has not experienced a full pump and dump cycle. And this chart on the daily, we can see it's just been in a massive accumulation range, really from the time that it did actually go ahead and launch. So before we talk about the price, let's take a look at what WAGMI Games actually is. So this is essentially a mobile game, and it's a tower defense game to start. They also have some comics here. And this is powered by Immutable X and GameStop. Now, Immutable X, if I go back over here to the top GameFi coins by market cap, Immutable X is a gaming blockchain. It's a layer 2 for Ethereum. They are ranked number 63 in the market cap. And Immutable X is up like 200% in the past month alone. We can see 30 days it's up 130%. So it doubled in the past month. Some capital starting to flow into these large gaming coins, and that will trickle down to the lower caps as well. WAGMI Games, a very interesting project. We can go ahead and take a look. I'll show you the team over here. Now the team is very competent, right? Their CEO, Ian Bentley. You should look into these guys on your own time. Louis Trujillo is the chief gaming officer. And they have this guy, Scott Herman. Scott Herman is a fitness YouTuber. I've known about Scott Herman for like 10 years. I used to watch his fitness videos. And he's also into gaming, and he is the director of talent acquisition. He is essentially bringing people on board and getting people interested. But anyways, you should really do your own research into this project. I'm just kind of bringing it to light. This one is serious, okay? And like I said, this is a tower defense game. It's basically in test flight. It's in beta right now. It is not fully launched yet. But they have their trailer, which is absolutely epic. I encourage you to watch their trailer, do your own research into this game. A lot of potential, low cap, only $7 million market cap. This is backed by some big players, Immutable X, GameStop, Google Ads, some other big companies as well. So again, do your own research here, but this is a new one, and this chart has been in accumulation really from the time that it has launched. So when it comes to the price and potential levels to buy, it's still in a range, just like PYR Vulcan Forge has been in a range for a year, so has this. And if we look at this chart, we have a support level down here at 0.000026. So anywhere at the bottom of the range is where you would want to potentially buy it. Not financial advice. And if you look at WAGMI Games versus Ethereum, it actually recently sold off from mid-January and went down to levels that it hasn't been in since September of 2022 and August and July of 2022 versus Ethereum. This was in the dead of the bear market. So it may potentially be a good time to put some ETH in now, not financial advice at all. But I would certainly look into this one, WAGMI Games. If you look at their Twitter account, right, 16,500 followers. Journey Crypto following, of course, Journey Crypto, the big YouTuber, if you're not already familiar with who he is. But yeah, this one has some potential here. Do your own research. Low cap gaming crypto. Look into it. Let's move on to coin number 4. Coin number 4 is going to be WASDR, ticker symbol WAS, W-A-S. Right now, WAS is trading for 2.2 cents. Now, I first shared WAS here on my channel in late December. As we can see from this video, this was the best altcoins to buy for the next bull market. This was posted on December 30th or so. And at that time, WAS was trading for 1.6 cents. So it is up a little bit from the time that I made that video around a month ago. But the beautiful thing is, again, this is still a really low market cap, $7.8 million. Now, WASDR itself is not a gaming project, but they are heavily related to the gaming niche. And what I mean by that is essentially they are building, in my eyes, it's kind of like the Instagram or Discord in a sense of crypto gaming, where they have a mobile application that pairs you up with other players that are playing similar games to you, and it's building basically gaming infrastructure. It's not a game itself. All right, we can see WASDR brings old and new friends together around your passion for gaming, and you can download it. It's a mobile app on your phone. I've downloaded it, I've tested it out. It does look very promising, very low market cap. It essentially puts people together and helps you build communities around the games that you do play. Very active Telegram chat, right? Their CEO is always in there answering questions. I think that this one could potentially run very hard when the gaming run really does start here. So let's go over the WASDR chart and I can show you kind of what's going on. Again, this only has a $7.8 million market cap. So WASDR on the weekly here, the all-time high of this thing is, take a look at the all-time high of WASDR. It's 6 cents, 6.1 cents. It's still down 63% from that all-time high, and it's up 24x from its all-time low, which took place in November 27th of 2021, and it shortly after took off from that all-time low. But regardless, if we go ahead and take a look at the WASDR chart on the daily time frame here, so WASDR really is just an accumulation. It says a $7.8 million market cap. If you can get it underneath or as close to 2 cents as possible. That would be ideal. Not sure if it does come back to where it was in late December, early January at around 1.5, 1.6 cents when I first covered it here on the channel. But if it does drop back to those levels, that would most likely be an excellent entry opportunity. How high this thing can go, any of these can easily 10x, 20x, not financial advice of course, but I think that they can easily 10x, 20x, even more, right? WASR has the potential to even hit $1 to $2, right? It could be a potential 100x. So I would encourage you, do look into this one on your own time, do your own research, but a lot of potential with WASR, low market cap. Now let's move on to coin number 5 for the low cap crypto gaming tokens. For this video, coin number 5 is going to be Katana Inu, ticker symbol KATA. Anybody that trains karate knows what kata is, right? Very important for a martial artist to practice their kata at all times. But Katana Inu is a meme name, but this is actually a legit game here. So Katana Inu right now trading for 1/10 of a penny, ranked number 1279 in market cap with an overall market cap of $4.7 million. Underneath 5 million, this is again a very low cap gaming token, high risk, also very high reward if it does actually end up succeeding. The all-time high of this is 0.009, so that's like a 9x from current price. It's down 88.87% from that all-time high level, and it's up around 9x from the all-time low as well. All right, so this one still has not taken off yet, not really on a lot of people's radar at all. Again, this one you can only, actually this is listed on some exchanges here. You can get it on Uniswap, PancakeSwap, or some centralized exchanges such as MEXC Global. Now, let's take a look at the Katana Inu website here. This is again an NFT PC game, and they are building out a full game. This is kind of like World of Warcraft here, where your character is this, Katana Inu dog meme coin type of figure, but some very interesting graphics, and it does look very promising. So very low market cap, right? Here's some gameplay here. It does kind of look like World of Warcraft. It's a third person, active game where you're really moving around your character, upgrading your character, and doing tournaments, fighting bosses, etc., etc. So this one is definitely a bit under the radar here, and it is looking very promising. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at this thing's token price. And to do that, we will go to DEX Tools and look at Kata. Katana Inu over here. So Kata on the daily time frame has taken off from mid-January. All right, from mid-January, it is up a pretty healthy amount of around 7.5x already. However, it only has a market cap of $4.7 million. So that means if it gets to a $50 million market cap, which is very attainable when the gaming run starts, that's a 10x, and then anything else is icing on the cake, really. So Katana Inu over here, it was in a total slumber, in a total bear market from May of 2022 until 2 weeks ago in January, mid-January, it started to take off again. But this thing has legs a long way to go. Talking about entries, I mean, current price underneath a $5 million market cap is not going to be bad in the future, I don't think. Right, this one can really go big potentially, just like all of the ones I've shared in this video. But your first support level is at 0.0083, and then underneath that you also have a level at 0.005. Right, and anything underneath 0.005 would be excellent, but these are your two closest entries to current price. I'm talking about profit targets, right? Just kind of use your gauge on what you would be happy with, because with these low caps, really what we're going for is kind of big movers, multipliers. So you can take your initial investment out with any of these, whether that's PYR, Compete, WASR, Katana, WAGMI. Take your initial entry out when you 2 or 3x, then you can let the bag just run and ride, free house money. Or if you really have high conviction and you do, after you do your own research, you can just let your investment go until that gaming run really starts and you can see some crazy numbers. But these are all low caps, so they come with inherent high risk. That's implied. This is not financial advice. You should do your own research on all of these coins, but these are my top 5 low cap crypto gaming tokens. So in this video, we covered up and coming low cap crypto gaming tokens. They are all either building your game or building gaming infrastructure. And Saudi Arabia just signed that deal with the Sandbox. AI has already taken off, but the gaming narrative, the gaming run, has not even started yet. So look into these projects on your own. I hope that you did enjoy this video. If you did, make sure you let me know by smashing that like button down below. And if you were brand new to Crypto Empire and not already subscribed to the channel, go ahead right now and smash that subscribe button down below and turn on all the notifications so that you don't miss any future videos. And my name is Connor from Crypto Empire, and I will see you in the next video.